Welcome to BarCloud, the industry-leading barcode inventory system for all types of organizations. Our system provides you with powerful tools for all of your inventory tracking needs. In the world of construction, efficiency is the name of the game. For Dallas Mechanical Group, a leader in electrical construction and HVAC installation, managing their equipment and inventory efficiently was a top priority. The Dallas Mechanical Groups are experts in commercial heating, ventilation, and air conditioning (HVAC) installs. They take pride in delivering top-notch services for their clients, covering every aspect of HVAC installation and maintenance. However, like many in the construction industry, Dallas Mechanical Group faces several challenges. Before they found the right solution, their warehouse was chaotic. They did not have a system to track inventory efficiently, and everything was done manually. Manual tracking meant more time spent on inventory management and increased difficulties in locating essential assets and equipment. With no visibility, superintendents were often unsure whether to visit the warehouse or the job site itself. This led to increased costs, from replacing lost equipment and over-ordering. Clearly, they needed a solution that could help them oversee their warehouse inventory, installation, equipment, and operations in one place. That's when they found the perfect solution. Dallas Mechanical Group chose BarCloud, a powerful warehouse management system designed for businesses like theirs. With a diverse range of contracting jobs, they needed daily inventory management to be flexible. BarCloud is fully configurable to address any inventory tracking challenges. The software helps streamline their warehouse processes, saving time for the entire company. Now processing new items takes half the time, with data automatically updating every time a barcode is scanned. The system also improved communication between staff members. Superintendents can now access the system to check availability of materials and equipment without the need for personal calls to the warehouse manager. This means that deliveries no longer need personal verification, and they can now easily sort equipment and supplies by job site. The Dallas Mechanical Group experienced a big improvement in their warehouse operations, with more efficient workflows and visibility over their items. This ensured that they could efficiently grow their business. Just as Dallas Mechanical Group found success using our inventory tracking software, we have complete confidence that we can do the same for your business. To learn more about how you can improve your organization's efficiency with our inventory management software, visit our website with the links below and schedule a demo today at barcloud.com.